guys, nandito kami ngayon sa farm, backyard farm. Ayun si Kakwango Tin, gusto mapapicture. So, ayan.
Murag stage ang paminaw sa sapa.
Ang daming lamok guys. Actually, ang daming lamok.
Bebe, dito ka be oh. Dito ka. Be. Pwede dito manap ni. Nagloop.
Show you some plants.
Ay, nagpamali ka no?
Bebe, daw. Ilagay mo pindot na. Ay, karoon pa.
Guys, we're here in Planet Market by Fong. So, diri na misa. Mga flowers. Look,
80 lang oh.
it's only 80 baht. Ay, bougainvillea. Nice. 80 baht. Kini, mo ni santan, no? Santan ni, di ba?
Oh,
Ay, dili.
Santan.
Santan ba ni?
Ah, dili.
Dili, oy. Dili na siya santan, guys, no? Hindi ito santan. Pero mukha siyang santan. I don't know what's the name. And this one, the same. Here, it looks like santan. I don't know if what does it call. Pero nice kaayo siya, oh.
Ay, uhulog. Ala, kagwapa.
Also this one.
Actually, this is a good name. Lucky bird.
Where? This one?
This one.
Ah, this one, oh.
These are
Don't touch daw ka na.
350. Yeah.
Oh, 350?
That's quite expensive.
Yeah. To those who plant
Because
citrus
it
and
looks like a bird. And
ah,
his
the
face-
one, the one, the big one.
Yes.
How
Actually, they
about
will
this
grow
one?
up.
Ah,
they're
the
actually
same.
Yeah, same price.
Okay. Plantito, plantitas. How about this one? How much?
This one.
Ah, the
150.
price. Guys, only 150. I don't know how much this one in the Philippines. But it's quite expensive in the Philippines. So, mga plantito, plantitas dyan. I don't know what's the name of this. So we're here. This one, this plant is only 35 baht. The name is Variegata. Variegata. It's only
Nice, will it be?
one. Oh, this is the Sampaguita. Look. Look, guys. It's a sampaguita. I don't know how much. But they're selling sampaguita. And this one, I don't know what's the name. But it's so beautiful, guys. Ang ganda. As in, ang gaganda ng mga flowers.
Kaya pa na eh.
Para siyang kalachuchi. Ito parang kalachuchi, but hindi siya kalachuchi, guys. Oh my God! It's so beautiful! Look! The poinsettia. The name of this flower is poinsettia. It looks like okay, but it's real, guys. Look, real siya. Ang gaganda, and it's only 150. 150 lang siya, guys. Sana pwede kong dalhin sa Pilipinas to. Look, it's so beautiful. Look. Ang ganda, as in. Look, parang hindi siya totoo, pero actually totoo siya. Look, guys. Parang yung nilalagay sa Christmas tree. Parang ganito yun siya. Ito pink. Ito siya pink. Maganda as in. Guys, nandito. Tingnan mo. Tingnan mo. Ang ganda. Diba? Guys, pakita ko sa inyo, ha. Ayan siya. Hindi ko alam kung 180 baht. Ganito na siya kalaki. 180 baht lang siya. So how much is this in the Philippines? Times nyo lang siya sa 1.57.
Picture.
1.5 siya. Monstera. Ayan, 1.5. Look. Look. 1,500 baht. So, bali na sa 2,300 pesos siya. Wow, ang ganda. As in, guys. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Ang price? 500 philodendron. 500. Mahal pala. Ang mahal pala na ito. 500 baht. Sa mga friends ko dyan, sorry na lang, hindi ako makapagdala na ito. Kasi, ang dami pang kukuning permit pag nagdala ka nito. As in, ang dami mong kukuning permit para maibiyahe mo ito. Pero ito, King of Hearts, 60 baht lang siya. Ayan siya guys. Ang ganda. Ito pa. Ang ganda.
Ito sila diribahan. Ito sila diri.
You mean like oxygen
Like with the
tank?
oxygen, with the like a coffee.
Diba? Yun nga?
I don't know, I just want to